power moves and I'm the plug, bitch. Get to live in your auntie and the scripts from your mama, nigga. I ball like I play with the pizzas at 12. I play y'all there it go. Nigga, yeah. I ain't playing with these niggas, I ain't got shit to say to these niggas. I ball like I play with the pizzas at 12. I was playing with a pistol. It's simple. That nigga ain't slime, he slipping. He lacking, kidnapping, he missing. Got him in the trunk, he crying and bitch. I'm out with his bitch, she crying, she missing. I threw her a bag and told her forget him. Last night, 2 bitches, I'm stuck in the middle. I got what you want, what you need, come get it. I ain't coming to you, pull up, come get it. Can't give you a deal, you ain't never fuck with me. I moved from the hood, but I'm still stuck in it. RIP my dogs, they still stuck with me. RIP my dogs, they still stuck in it. I'm working, still serving. You a worker, pull up and serve you. Call up gang for the hit, damn murder. Yeah, I fucked this bitch, I did it on purpose. When shit get real, these niggas get nervous. I hate new niggas, these niggas be perfect. And lurching, cruise on the block, they lurking. You stand on the block with no purpose. Know you a bitch, you the type with a purse. Don't come around me with all that perk. I ain't smoking no weed, ain't got no perk. In my trap, bitch, we got pounds of surf. If you looking for bars, come find your service. Tryna run off, I probably murk. He ain't tough, let's see how he sound in person. Hit lists on niggas like high alert. Hit licks on niggas, just find a purse. Pull up, don't go try to hide them purses.